Okay, so starting a new week. This week isn't starting off so great for me. I am kind of struggling today. Oliver didn't sleep last night, so I don't think that helped. And then it's just been like really gloomy outside, and that for sure doesn't help my emotions. I definitely feel more down and depressed when the sun isn't shining. I kind of have been lazy the last few days, and my house has kind of gotten overwhelming. So I'm going to start out this vlog by doing a quick tidy. I am getting a grocery order tomorrow. Will be delivered in the morning. So I need to clean out my fridge. So I thought I'd put the camera on while I do a quick tidy and clean out the fridge. So it's not too bad. I just need to put some things up. Got some laundry. Oliver likes to take out the KitchenAid stuff. And then the living room just needs to be tidied. But yeah, this is the state of the house right now. I'm gonna pull out old food that the chickens can eat. Okay, so we have a few old tortillas, some carrots that are kind of past, some cauliflower rice. We were out of town this weekend, so we didn't eat as much at home. Some more old tortillas. And then a bag of lettuce. So I am going to take this out to them, and they are going to be so happy. So don't come here for fridge organizing because I don't know how to do any of that. But it just looks and smells much better. I didn't do as thorough job as I wanted to because, you know, we do the best that we can. But I'm really happy with it. So we are all ready to get our groceries delivered in the morning. So Camilla, what are we doing?
We are painting my nails.
Yep, we are gonna paint nails, just fingers tonight. And we're just doing Camilla's. I do gel, I need to do them. They're starting to chip, but I don't feel like doing that tonight. So we're just gonna paint Camilla's nails, and we are gonna watch Ever After while the baby's in bed and just hang out. Okay, go ahead and take off your nail polish. Okay, mom guilt coming in. With Oliver, who is not 2 yet, I find that he needs a lot more attention than I'm able to give Camilla. So I like to take times like this when the baby's in bed to just do something special with me and her. And so my question is, do you have any advice on how I can make sure that her needs are being met and I'm not just devoting myself to the baby? So here's the final product. Pretty. She did like a taupe color with a sparkle on top.
Kind of like Heather.
Yeah. Her Aunt Heather always has beautiful nails. We just got our groceries delivered. I thought I'd show you what we got. So milk, and then applesauce packets. Oliver loves these. He will just go into the pantry and get them and feed himself. We got some pancake mix. Cuties. We used to have problems with these going bad, but if you're able to get room in your fridge, they will last forever. And then the Red Baron, these are the personal pizzas. Oliver and Camilla really love these, so I thought this would be a good fast dinner this week. And then this is the cauliflower soup from the Walmart like deli line, the market side. It is so yummy. It is, for the whole thing, 430 calories, 32 fat, 21 carb, and 16 protein. So I ate these when I was pregnant with Oliver because they were like the perfect low-ish carb, but it had plenty of fat to make it like filling and like a full meal. It's got plenty of calories to just eat it by itself. So I got 2 of these. I thought I would have one when the kids do pizza. And then just some turkey slices, some carrots, an English cucumber, goldfish, Oreos, and then a big thing of chicken breast. And this it is 6.3 pounds and it's $17. So obviously with the Stratton gone, this is way too much. So I'm going to today prep it, like cut off the yucky parts and cut it how I like it to be grilled, and then I'm gonna put it in bags with the marinade, and then I'm gonna pop them in the freezer so that they're ready when I am ready to grill. I can just thaw them and then put them on the grill. Okay, Oliver is pretty happy right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the chicken really quick. So that's done. So I'm gonna split it into 3 little freezer bags. These are quart size. Hopefully they'll be big enough. Should be okay. It's a lot of chicken. Okay. I look crazy because I peeled off my eyelashes yesterday. They were bugging me. So I'm gonna give my eyelashes a few days break before I do it again. But maybe next time I do them, I'll show how I do it, because I just do the eyelash clusters on Amazon. Do it myself. They last about like 5 days, I would say. So I used to do eyelash extensions, and that's a really great option, but it was getting kind of expensive. I did it for about 2 years. I think it was totally worth it when I was pregnant and had a new baby, because I didn't have to do any, I was just always ready to go. I always had eyelashes, but now that I have a bit more free time, I think that it's worth doing it on my own. But Oliver slept all night last night. He woke up so happy this morning. So we've had a really nice morning. Although getting Camilla to school is kind of a circus. So these are big pieces of chicken. So I cut off like you know, at the end, they're a bit thinner. So I'll cut off like the thin, like here, and then the bottom portion where it's fatter, then I'll slice it in half. And so that's how I like, so here's like that bottom piece, the thinner piece, and then this is a lot thicker. So I'm gonna slice, I'm just gonna divide it in half. So this is how I like my chicken when I'm grilling. Okay, so I've got my 3 bags of chicken. So I'm gonna add, it's kind of weird and random, but it's so good. It's the only thing that I do. So I'm gonna split, I have a tiny bit of Ken's Greek. So I'll do a little bit of that in each bag. Okay, so that's all gone. So I'll do a little bit of soy sauce. I like, these lids are hard to open. So a little soy sauce, maybe like 1/8 of a cup. And then this is my favorite rub. Is it a rub? I think so. Pappy's. So I'll put a bunch of this. I did a good amount, but I'm gonna do more. These quart-sized bags are almost too small, but my gallon bags that I have are not freezer bags. And since there was not much Greek, I just have a fat-free Italian dressing. There's like not much left, so I'm gonna just split this into the rest. Close it up and then just kind of massage it until everything is coated and mixed. It's kind of hard because these bags are almost too small. But I think I'm gonna let them sit on my counter and let the Pappies kind of dissolve a little bit before I pop them into the freezer. So fun. I just got my Sephora package in, so I thought before I end the vlog I would open it and show what I got. So the most exciting thing is a fire starter. Seriously, Sephora packing paper is the best fire starter. Okay, so I'm really excited to try this. I saw Whitney Simmons use this. So this is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. She said that it helped her makeup last all day. So I am super excited to try this. And then the Anastasia, what is this? Brow Freeze Gel. Oh, that's an interesting brush. I like the package. It's like, it's matte. It feels nice and grippy. And then I'm really excited for this. This is this is the Peter Thomas Roth acne treatment mask. Now that I'm a grown-up lady, I don't really get too much acne, but I still have those, like, not blackheads, but like the dark pores, I guess. Maybe they are blackheads, but I get those on my nose, and so I wanted to try this to see if I could kind of clear it out. So it says Clears Acne Oil Absorbing, which I am oily, Deep Pore Cleansing. So hopefully this does what I want. But yeah, we're gonna end the vlog here, our second deployment diaries. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.